Alright, so we're going to change out our engine air filter on our Honda Pilot. Today we're using a Wix filter. I'll put links to everything in the video description. So this is very easy. It takes no tools. So this is where our air filter resides. We have a clip there, and a clip right here. So 3 clips that you literally just grab with your thumb and pop them off like that. No tools needed, okay? So then once we do that, what we do is we pull up, and we're going to pull out a little bit this way to loosen it from what's holding it in back there in the back, okay? So now we've freed it up, and the reason I said we had to pull it towards us, see these holes right here? Those rectangle holes? Well, the back of this air box has these little fingers that go inside there, so that's why we're pulling it out a little bit. So if you have trouble pulling it out or putting it back in, that's probably where your problem is, where it's hanging up at. So we take our air filter out, we look inside, and we see a bug in there, we see a leaf right there, so we're going to clean those out. I will pick those out of there real quick. But before I do that, even though this looks the same, you take it out and set it down in the orientation in which it was in there. So you could tell on this side it looks like that, but on this other side you see this plastic piece is different. And so the reason I point that out is it does matter how you put it in there. If I try to put it in like this, it won't fit. I want to put it in like this. So that's why it's important to keep track of those little details as you do these simple jobs. That way you don't have frustrations that go with it. So when we take our new one out of the box here, we're going to see that, you know, it looks like this on that side. So this is the right orientation. This other side has that plastic piece right there. So we're going to put our new one in just like this right here. So I'm going to set it there in the right orientation, and I'm going to get rid of this dirty one. And I'm going to shut the camera off for a second while I clean out that air box, and then we'll install our new one. Alright, so our air box is clean, so we're going to lift this up. We're going to put this in there like that, drop it down. Now we're going to line those fingers up back here before we push it in. So when it's still kind of at an angle, I get those lined up, push it in, 1 clip, 2 clips, 3 clips. Alright, your engine air filter is done. You probably saved yourself at least $40 doing it yourself.